Hi friends, the usage of Bhringraj oil for hair care dates back to the ancient times. According to Ayurveda, Bhringraj herb, also called as false daisy, is a miraculous herb that promotes hair growth, prevents baldness, graying of hair, and treats dry scalp and dandruff. Due to the increased awareness of its benefits, the cost of Bhringraj oil has increased a lot. It can cost you up to $20 for just 100 ml of this oil. But making this oil at home is easy and inexpensive. Let's see how to make a standard and effective Bhringraj oil at home. For this we need Bhringraj powder. Using Bhringraj powder is one simple way to make this oil. It would be much better if you can get organic Bhringraj powder, or else you can also use dried Bhringraj leaves for this purpose. Coconut oil. Coconut oil helps to easily penetrate through the scalp and supplies essential nutrients to the hair. That's why this is a great carrier oil. Sesame oil. Sesame oil has outstanding gray hair reversal benefits when combined with Bhringraj. Peppermint oil. Peppermint oil adds aroma and activates dormant hair follicles. Let's see how to make this. In a steel bowl, take half cup, which is around 40 grams of Bhringraj powder. If you are using dried leaves, take half cup of crushed leaves. Now add half cup, which is close to 100 ml of sesame oil. Toss in half cup or 100 ml of coconut oil into this. Mix all these ingredients very well. You will get a very thick consistency mix of oil and powder. Leave it like that for a minimum of 1 hour. This helps to soak the Bhringraj powder enough with the oil. After 1 hour, see that the consistency of oil got thicker. Now let's heat it on a low flame. Place the steel bowl with the contents on the stove. Start boiling at a very low heat in simmer. You should only boil on simmer, otherwise the oil loses its benefits. You can also use double boiler method if you want, but it's not required as we are boiling at a very low heat. Keep stirring continuously. Just after 5 minutes, you will see bubbles popping up. Let's boil for 2 more minutes while stirring. Now notice that the bubbles are popping faster. We should switch off the stove at this time. So the total boiling time is approximately 5 to 10 minutes on simmer. Let the contents cool down completely. After the contents have cooled down, we have to filter it. I am using a tea strainer first to simply filter out the bulk. This is the first step of filtering. Notice that after the first filtering, the oil is still dark and thick. Now I am filtering again with a cheesecloth on top of a tea strainer. After a second filtration, you can see that the oil is getting cleaner and clear. If you still notice that the oil is dark, you can just set it aside for 2 hours. Automatically, the sediments settle at the bottom, leaving a very clear and clean oil at the top. As a final step, add 10 drops of peppermint oil to this. The dark green color of the oil is a proof of a good quality of Bhringraj oil. That's all. We have prepared a 100% effective Bhringraj oil. Massaging with Bhringraj oil improves blood circulation, detoxifies scalp, promotes hair growth, and prevents premature graying of hair. Thank you.
Please like our video and subscribe. Tap on bell notification to get more interesting videos.